Namaste and Happy Deepavali to all of you. When I was young, I was fascinated by the different color lights of Deepavali fireworks, and I was full of questions like, why should Deepavali be celebrated only on the new moon night of the rainy Kartika month and not in the cool spring? Like, how can this cosmic Mahalakshmi Shakti be squished in a copper vessel to be worshipped? Why waste ghee for lighting Deepavali lamps instead of pouring that ghee into my rice and dal lunch? And why the torture of fasting and mind-cleansing rituals on such a festive day? The adults in my family felt my irritating questions like hot, spicy chili peppers poured over the delicious Deepavali sweets. I'm a parent now, and my teenage son challenges my brain by demanding that all rituals be scientifically proven. So I revealed to him a dark secret. Sunlight travels in empty space and goes unnoticed because there is nothing for the light to hit and get reflected on for us to see it. But light becomes light from the moment it touches the air molecules in the sky, making it appear blue. Then it lights up all the objects on earth, giving them colors. Similarly, any energy, if goes unnoticed, is of no use to anybody, and the energy goes in its own way. However, with full awareness, energy can be completely absorbed and be used to fulfill our desires. And even more interesting secret is that the force of attraction and repulsion between positively and negatively charged particles in all the atoms of our body is only light force particles, photons dancing between them, maybe Bollywood dance. Isn't it amazing to know that it is a dance of light particles that causes movements in our body organs? This is why in the tradition of Bharat, we are all called Atma Jyoti Shakti. From the eyes of my quantum physics, I see you all, a beautiful array of Deepavali lights, flickering Deepavali lights. What thousands of years rishis of Bharat discovered is understood by modern scientists also. All forms of energy exist in wave nature, which when observed can crystallize into reality of life. Not an observing human eye, but even an electronic device, a detector, can observe a photon or electron and crystallize it as a particle. As seen in the very famous double slit experiments. It is like freezing the liquid wavy water into solid ice cubes. All these subtlest energy waves and particles are understood using huge technological equipment like this Hadron Collider in Switzerland, $9 billion. Based on these experiments, scientists developed the technology user-friendly for common man. Similarly, rishis of the ancient Bharat also built huge cosmic energy harnessing centers called temples through a technology called Tantra, which involves yantra and mantra. Mantra is chanted for guiding the mind to transcend into full awareness state, to observe the cosmic waveform of energy and crystallize it for fulfilling the desires in human life. All this energy capturing was done in the presence of light, and that's why we had the chief guest like the lamp, by using a geometrical device called yantra that is made up of copper as seen in the picture. This energy was then available for everyone to absorb and use it for their well-being. However, the energy is continuously regenerated every day through chanting and puja. The rishis simplified the whole tantric technology for lay people like us through festivals like Deepavali to harness this cosmic energy for prosperity in our lives. The copper yantra in the temple became the copper kalasha, kept on a geometrical yantra like rangoli, drawn with white rice, yellow jaggery, red kumkum and green mango leaves powder. For the common man, fasting from food and negative thoughts were encouraged to transcend to a state of self-awareness and selflessness in order to capture the Lakshmi energy efficiently. The great Adi-Sankaracharya, who chanted Kanagadara Stotra on Lakshmi on a beautiful Deepavali day, selectively once captured the cosmic light energy for increasing knowledge by observing it in a spot where he found a Shivalinga with a golden line. This is now the famous Moogambiks temple in Karnataka. For us, this science of energy is explained as Goddess Devi walking behind Shankaracharya and then becoming a statue when he turned back to observe her. Now, the gifted children of Fairfield are going to now reveal that the highest message of Deepavali is to cleanse our mind from ego and tap the cosmic energy to constructively use it for a happy life. Please do not take this Deepavali festival or this skit lightly. Carry this message home and now enjoy it.